It was a normal day at Piscataway High School in Middlesex County, New Jersey. That is, until a 14-year-old girl was caught smoking in the school lavatory. She didn't know it, but that girl would change history. This is New Jersey versus TLO, a Supreme Court case that changed America. It was March 7th, 1980. A 14-year-old freshman who would famously become known as TLO was accused of breaking a school rule. A teacher walked in the school bathroom and saw TLO and a classmate smoking. She immediately took the girls to the office to see Vice Principal Theodore Choplik. When questioned by Vice Principal Choplik, TLO denied that she was smoking. Choplik did not believe her. He asked to see TLO's purse. He wanted to see if there were cigarettes inside. What he actually did find was shocking. Choplik did find a pack of cigarettes in TLO's purse, but he also found rolling papers. The vice principal knew that rolling papers were often used to smoke marijuana. Suspicious that TLO may also have marijuana in her purse, Choplik continued his search. Choplik's search revealed that TLO was indeed carrying marijuana. Her purse also had a pipe, empty plastic bags, many dollar bills, a list of students who owed TLO money, and 2 letters that implied that TLO was dealing marijuana to her classmates. After the contents of her purse were revealed, TLO ended up being charged by the police with dealing and using illegal drugs. In a ruling by New Jersey's lower court, it was determined that Choplik's search of TLO's purse was reasonable and constitutional. Therefore, the evidence he found could be used against TLO in a court trial. When TLO took her case to New Jersey's Supreme Court, the ruling was reversed. It was determined that the evidence that Choplik obtained from TLO's purse was secured during an unconstitutional search. As a result, it was inadmissible in court. The New Jersey court's reversal in this case led to New Jersey asking the U.S. Supreme Court to hear the case. The Supreme Court agreed to investigate the question: is it constitutional under the Fourth Amendment for a school official to search a student if there is reasonable belief that a student is committing a crime or breaking a school rule? In a 6-3 decision, the Supreme Court decided that the answer to this question was yes. The vice principal's search through TLO's purse was not unreasonable. It did not violate the Fourth Amendment. Choplik had reasonable suspicion that cigarettes would be in TLO's purse after she was caught by a teacher smoking on school grounds. The discovery of rolling papers gave Choplik reasonable suspicion that TLO possessed marijuana, and this justified him searching her purse even further. The U.S. Supreme Court found that school officials can conduct searches if they have reasonable suspicion that they will find evidence of a student breaking a rule or committing a crime. Students have a lower right to privacy than individuals outside of a school. In a school setting, the Constitution may not afford students all of the constitutional protections that they would otherwise have. It is important that school officials address disciplinary issues quickly to make sure that the school environment is safe and suitable for student learning. The New Jersey versus TLO case is important because it affects every student in public schools across America. Today, school officials can search a student if they have reasonable suspicion that the student is breaking a rule or committing a crime. The school official does not need to obtain a search warrant because he or she may have to make quick decisions to ensure the safe school environment. Today's students simply do not have the right to privacy in some matters that can occur within a school building.
In summary, the Fourth Amendment was created by the Founding Fathers as part of the Bill of Rights. It states that the police cannot search a person's private property without a likely cause that a crime has been committed. I think the case of New Jersey versus TLO was settled fairly. When a teacher caught TLO smoking in a bathroom, it became reasonable for Choplik to think that TLO might be carrying cigarettes in her purse. When the vice principal came across rolling papers, it became reasonable to think that TLO might also be carrying marijuana. With all of the drugs being used by today's youth, administrators must be able to search through students' belongings if there is reason to believe that the student is violating school policy.